everyone. Today we are going to present a video on how hotels are going to look like in future 2030. Hotels in 2030 will be very different as compared to hotels in 2019. We are humans, we can't predict future, so I'm going to call my friend Alex. She will tell you more about how hotels are going to look like in future 2030. Keep watching the video.
Hello, Alex speaking. How can I help you today?
Hi Alex, can you please help me to show my teacher and my colleagues how hotel industry is gonna look like in future 2030?
Absolutely. Rakshit. Anything for you, my love.
Today, I'd like to introduce you to a whole new way to travel. It's called You Anywhere.
Welcome back, Mr. Harrison. How can I help you?
Hello, you. Could you give us a little demonstration?
Of course.
Let's take personalized travel to a new frontier.
Where would you like to travel next? Let's start by choosing a destination.
Let's see. I'm not sure. Oh, this place looks fabulous.
And what kind of accommodation would you like?
I think this time I'd like to try the concrete hotel room. These stunning scenic views, the freedom to sleep wherever you want. Can you see the possibilities? You, could we have a look at my room and its environment?
Yes, here's a wider view.
Perfect, you. Thanks for the help. As future hospitality leaders, imagine the opportunities when customers can design every aspect of their travel experience.
Let's see another example of virtual reality in hotel industry. Ever imagined robots working in hotels? Let me show you how robots can change work life in hotels.
Tech is taking over. All around the world, machines are slowly taking up tasks once reserved for humans. In the hospitality industry, customer service and satisfaction is the end game, and what better to cater to your needs than an inexhaustible programmable automaton? Hotels in the future could be entirely staffed by machines, starting with realistic-looking cyborgs welcoming guests at the front desk. Checking in will be done via a self-service kiosk, which includes facial authentication for keyless entry. A robot-operated cloakroom will be available for guests who need to store or retrieve belongings. Instead of a bellhop, an electric porter will carry luggage while leading the way to the guest's room. Smart room controls detect motion and adjust lighting and temperature accordingly. Items may be bought or requested and will be delivered directly to the rooms. With a phone call notifying guests that their items have arrived. Room controls could also be programmed to provide wake-up calls. Smart window displays could be incorporated to provide guests with information relevant to their trip. Likewise, robots will be in charge of housekeeping, tidying up rooms quickly and efficiently. Soon, even meals will be prepared by programmable robot arms and then served by robotic waiters. A robot concierge will also be on hand 24/7 to answer guests' questions and help with booking and arrangements. Fully automated hotels may not be too far off. Japan already has the Hena Hotel in Nagasaki, with more on the way. Of course, not everyone is on board with the idea, as some argue the loss of human interaction may have an impact on overall customer satisfaction. What do you think?
Now let's talk about some of the positives and negatives of these trends in hotels. Jack will now explain these in brief.
So I will talk about the positive impact and negative impact that could be facing the hotel in the future. For positive impact, so the technology will, as the human demand, so the technology will become more available and more become more affordable in the future. And then the hotel could be provide the guest facing like associate with the technology to greet customer by the name and ID, so customer can using the VR and AI system can do check-in and check-out to saving their time for holiday. And then the hotel can be increasing to using the case from everything like from article intelligence to virtual reality to control the smart TV, lighting, and then every item in the hotel. And that's a positive impact of the hotel in the future. And then for the negative impact of the hotel, because when they're using a lot of technology in the hotel, like they need to spend much more money to keep providing the high technology to customer, and then they need to be professional to participating and then to using the high technology in the hotel. And then and one more thing, they need to like get more money to keep the very good quality of technology and then to compete and then to compete with other competitor in the market. And then one more problem is like when using the technology in the hotel, like some guests, like for example old people and then disabled people and then even the kid, they don't know how to using the technology, so the hotel need to be provide the kid mode or like for old people can using that. That's all for the positive and negative impact of the hotel in the future.